How does a typical day of yours go? Let me guess, you wake up in the morning, grab your phone, check WhatsApp, then go to the toilet, take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. You leave the house, take the same route, go to the same place, do the same work, and meet the same people who make you feel the same way. You avoid some people and want to get closer to others. After finishing your work, you return home on the same route, scroll through short videos, and go to sleep. You follow this routine every day. This routine works like a computer program where you are not doing anything by your own choice. Everything happens automatically. Neuroscientist Dr. Joe Dispenza says that by the age of 35, 95% of who we are is a subconscious mind program. This subconscious program is a mix of your beliefs, behaviors, emotional reactions, unconscious habits, and attitudes that force you to take certain actions. The remaining 5% is our conscious mind, which says, I want to change myself. I want to be healthy. I want to learn this new skill. I want to work hard. I want to be happy. And I want to be free. Every day, you try to fight this 95% subconscious program with your 5% conscious mind, and you lose miserably every day. This is why you wake up every day with the energy to change everything, but nothing changes, and by evening, you are tired and go to sleep. So, first, accept that the fight you are fighting with yourself is a losing battle. You cannot win against your subconscious mind. Your life is not in your control. You are just a passenger, and the subconscious program is in the driving seat, taking you where it wants to go, not where you want to go. So, should you give up and keep living this mediocre life? How can you win? What is the solution? The only solution is when the enemy is stronger than you, and losing is certain. You should never fight. When you stop fighting, no one loses and no one wins. You need to do the same. If you are ready, like the video because your life is about to change, friend. Reprogramming your mind. If you don't stop fighting your subconscious mind, it will eventually win, resulting in trauma, financial crises, serious illness, or something worse. The way you are living now and the actions you are taking are creating a future that will inevitably come. Therefore, you must stop fighting your mind and change its programming so that the mind, which is currently against you, pushing you into darkness and making you a failure, can be used to make yourself successful. To change any program, you need to change its source code, which is made up of 6 steps. The first 3 steps will set a solid foundation, and the last 3 steps will completely reprogram your brain with a hard reset. So, like the video, and let's look at the 6 steps. Number 1. Belief. If you leave a person among animals, they will also become an animal. If you leave an animal among humans, it will also develop humanity. You didn't learn to speak your native language. You just listened to the people around you speaking and started speaking like them. If you have been conditioned to believe that you can never achieve anything big in life, that you are not very smart, weak in studies, have dark skin, a big nose, are short, and only capable of earning so much, then your brain gets conditioned to these repeated messages. They say that if you tell a lie often enough, it becomes the truth. Your brain believes thousands of such lies and acts accordingly. First, you need to change this conditioning. You need to repeatedly tell yourself truths that you start believing in. But now, you are not a small child who believes everything you hear. You need to carefully decide what beliefs you are creating within yourself through conditioning. You should trust your conditioning and believe that what you are thinking and telling yourself is 100% true. To strengthen your beliefs, you need to remind yourself from time to time. Surround yourself with evidence and people who support these beliefs. When you develop a strong belief, it will start changing your attitude. Number 2. Feeling so far, what you have done is made your mind convincing to yourself. People develop a strong belief, but then just sit with it and take no action, which eventually turns their beliefs into regrets. For example, many people wanted to start their own business but couldn't because their mind was ready, but their body didn't allow it. The hardest part is making your body feel that what you are thinking is actually possible, because in the end, your body has to do all the work. Just imagining something isn't enough. You have to emotionally make your body feel it. Our brain's language is thoughts. and our body's language is feelings. If you can't feel something in your heart, you can't act on it. How many times has it happened that something looks so tasty, and you really want to eat it, but your stomach is full? You don't touch it because you're not hungry. Similarly, you need to have a hunger for what you want to achieve. If you don't feel anything about your vision, it means your body isn't receiving your mind's signals, and as a result, you won't take any actions. Number 3, behavior. Your behaviors create your habits, and your habits create your life. Whatever you have been doing so far, you did because of your habits. Whatever you will do in the future will also be because of your habits. When you start believing in your mind and feeling it in your body, you can bring changes in your behaviors. Any goal, habit, or desire you want to achieve requires reprogramming your mind. By changing your beliefs and feeling that change in your body, you can change your behavior, which will become a habit, and all your habits combined will reprogram your subconscious. This way, 95% of your actions will change without you even thinking about it, bringing you closer to success. With the first 3 steps, you have built a solid foundation. Now it's time to hard reset and reprogram your mind with the next step. Number 4, conscious self-talk. Now that you are aware of how important self-talk is in your life, it's time to pay attention to what you are saying to yourself. Everything that happens in our life is a reaction to our self-talk. Whether you call it negative self-talk or self-pity, for our mind, there is no positive or negative. These are just things that your mind has accepted as true. Whether it benefits or harms you doesn't matter to the mind. What is positive for you might be negative for someone else. For example, you might be in a sensitive moment in your life and feeling very weak, crying, and someone tells you, it's okay to be weak, crying is good. If you accept this as true, instead of dealing with the situation and making yourself stronger, you keep telling yourself, I am weak, I am not strong, or I am depressed, I am anxious. Your behaviors will then support this idea. You avoid doing things that require strength because you keep telling yourself, I am weak, I am not strong. So you need to pay attention to the chatter in your mind and what you are saying to yourself, especially the self-destructive words that are making your life hell. These words could be anything like, I feel very low, I am very tired, I can't control myself, I am terrible, my illness will never get better, I don't look good, I get very angry, I am very depressed. The 5th step, replace self-talk with the right ones now. Replace all the self-talk you have found with positive ones. I am weak becomes I am strong. I am depressed becomes I am happy. I am anxious becomes I am confident. Make sure the new self-talk is neither too exaggerated that you can't believe it, nor too basic that you take it lightly. The right self-talk should create a feeling within you, because the brain's language is thoughts, and the body's language is feelings. If you're not feeling anything about your vision, it means your body isn't receiving your mind's signals. As I mentioned earlier, this prevents you from taking action. Number 6, find proof for your new self-talk. To feel the power of this self-talk in your mind and body, you need to prove to yourself that what you are saying is true. If you're telling yourself, I am successful, or I will be successful, you need to take actions that prove you are capable of success. Start incorporating habits and behaviors associated with success into your life, like waking up early, working out, completing tasks with focus, and eliminating distractions. Do tasks that make you feel successful, fueling your new self-talk. Break your big goal into smaller goals and achieve them to feel a sense of accomplishment and success, which will fuel your journey towards success. In this video, we discussed 1. Belief. You need to believe that you can be successful. Don't hold negative beliefs about yourself, like thinking you are weak or that your skin color or height matters. Build positive beliefs in your mind. 2. Feeling. You need to make your body feel that what you are thinking is actually possible. Without this feeling, you won't take action. 3. Behavior. When you start believing with your mind and feeling it in your body, you can change your behaviors and develop new, good habits. 4. Conscious self-talk. Pay attention to the type of things you are saying to yourself, especially the negative words. Identify these negative self-talk patterns. 5. Replace self-talk with the right ones. Replace negative self-talk with positive ones. For example, replace "I am weak" with "I am strong," and "I am depressed" with "I am happy." Replace all your negative self-talk with positive ones. 6. Find proof for your new self-talk. Recall any small success you've had in life and use it to prove to yourself that you can be successful. Remind yourself that you have succeeded before and can do it again. Thank you for watching.